See this fine girl. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If this is your first time viewing my channel, you are also welcome. This video is a tutorial where I show you how I installed my faux locs. So stay with me, guys. So we're going to start by sectioning the front area. I would be braiding the front area into single braids before crocheting the front area so that it looks more natural, so that the front looks more natural. So you could watch me as I do this. So we are done braiding the front area and we have about 10 single braids. Yeah, so the next thing to do is to crochet in the faux locs that I'll be using. So this is Jessica faux locs. You can get this from your local braid store around you. The next thing to do is to insert the crochet pin underneath the braid, and then you carefully insert the loop into the pin and lock the pin, and then pull out and insert the tail of the lock into the loop, and then you just carefully drag it out and stretch it, and you adjust it as you want to. Yes, you can see me doing that. Yeah, and we're good to go, and then we just repeat the same process for each of the braids that we have. So we're done with the front area. Now we are moving to the back section. We're going to be using a different method for the back area. We're going to join the mouths of the braid we have at the front and make it join into the back into, we're going to weave it into cornrows. So we're going to have about 6 cornrows at the back. Yes, so when we do this, we repeat the process for the remaining parts of the hair. Okay, so after completing the cornrows, the next thing to do is to crochet the remaining locks that you have beneath the cornrows. Yeah, so you just place the pin beneath the cornrow and then insert the tail of the lock into the loop, and then you stretch or you pull out just like the way I'm doing. You repeat the process throughout the entire hair, and yeah, until you have a full hair, you're good to go. Hey, so we're finally done with installing the whole faux locs. Yeah, but I would say that I just used 2 packs of the faux loc hair, and I don't know, somehow I just felt like, not that I felt like, it's not really as full as I wanted it to be. I don't know, somehow when I was getting the locks I got just 2 packs, but if you want yours to be fuller than mine, you could get 3 to 4 packs. Probably 3 packs would be enough, because this particular faux locs that I got has 27 pieces of hair in 1 pack. So if you're using 2 packs, you have just 54 pieces. But if you're using 3 packs, you know that you have more hair, and then your hair would be more voluminous. So I would advise that you get from 3 packs and above to have a more fuller hair. And then what I'm doing right now is just putting on accessories on the lock, so that it doesn't look blank. It looks more, I don't know, just looks more good anyway. So you could put whatever accessory that you have on yours and you're good to go. So this is very beneficial to students, or and not only students, anyone that doesn't have enough money to go to the salon to do their hair. You could actually do this quickly on your own if you have the strength to do so. Yeah, you could do this on your own. It's a very simple process. All you just need to do is to follow the steps, and trust me, you're going to get it. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I forgot to mention also that this tutorial is my first hair tutorial on YouTube. I don't know, I feel like the video is kind of tacky, but at least I know that I'm passing across the message that I want to pass across. And if you have any questions or anything, or any feedback for me, you could drop your comments in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're viewing my channel for the first time. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.